Hi, I'm Steve Beecham, and I help people grow their business. I've been in a lot of different businesses myself. I've managed a lot of salespeople. I've even written books on how to grow your business. So what I found is that there's a simple philosophy that I use now, and that's called helping instead of hustling others. And a lot of people in sales really struggle with how do you cold call, how do you prospect? And so I just came up with this idea, what happens if I just help people all the time? Will that help me get more connections? Will that help me build better relationships? Will that increase my referral business? And the answer is yes. So if you're managing a bunch of people, or if you're a professional salesperson in the insurance business, in the financial advisor business, banking business, real estate, mortgage business, maybe you have a franchise, maybe you're trying to grow your franchise in your community, maybe you have a small business in your community, I'd love to come help you grow your business. We can do that on Zoom. I can do that in person. I can do that through workshops. And I've done all of those for all of those different types of groups all over the country. So, my purpose is to help others get from where they are to where they want to go. And so I found that by doing that, by speaking to groups, by doing workshops, by doing Zoom meetings, any way that I can come in and help, a lot of people learn that it's a lot more fun to help people instead of hustle them. That's my purpose. So if you've got a group and you need somebody to come in and help you, any way I can help, you just let me know. I'm available for you to help you grow your business. So if you really want to know about some of the ideas and some of the stories I tell while speaking, I have a lot of different concepts. I've got some stuff you can implement today that'll change your business tomorrow. I've got some psychological concepts so that you start thinking about your business differently so that you can grow your business. So look through some of these videos down below. There's some great stories. You'll love them, and they're very entertaining, and I think your audience would love them too. But also, if you want to get in touch with me and you'd like to talk and you'd like for me to come talk to your folks, please hit the button down below and we'll get together and we'll put something together for just your particular group and help you grow your business.